Welcome to RiskMeProject.com. Our project title is a system for denial of service attack reduction based on multivariate correlation analysis. Our project abstract means in a computing system, the impact of denial of service attacks are most severe. Detection system for denial of attacks are introduced on the basis of multivariate correlation analysis. The multivariate correlation analysis means for network traffic, the traffic are extracted from the geometrical correlation between the network features which has appeared through the transformation between the sender and receiver. A triangle based techniques are proposed for speed of the multivariate correlation analysis. Now discuss about the flow of the process. Initially collect the network traffic features of the data which has appeared during the data transformations between the sender and receiver side, that is source and destination process. Then construct the process based on the network features. The construction process by the means of normalized data and non-normalized data. Normalized data means it consists only the normal data without defining the attack process. In non-normalized data, it contains also the non-normalized data as attack data. In non-normalized data, we can find out the normal profile generation based on training phase. Then we using the tested profile generation from the normal profile generation. Using this attack reduction process or find out using the multivariate correlation analysis by constructing the normal profile generation. In that normal profile generation, we can calculate the threshold selection. Based on that threshold selections, if the data are present less than threshold selection or equal to threshold selections or the normal data against the threshold values or attack. Based on this, we can calculate the attack reduction from the normal features. In this, we using the KDD Cup data set as a normal network traffic features. Now the demo of the process. Click homepage.java, then select run file. Click on image. Click browse button to select the data set. Click data set to extract the values in the data set. Then click upload button. Click preprocess data to remove the unwanted and noisy data from the data set. Click OK button. Click connect. To connect the server, can give the port number. Then run the server. Now we run the server process. Then we connect the server process with client. That's why we can run the client process. Give fake IP address. Then give port number what we given period to the server side. Click accept. Then receive from the server side. Accepted. Click attributes. These are the attributes which are involved in the data set, and then going to implement. Fragments are the corresponding process of that protocols. Selection. Based on these protocols and this ID, what are the source and destination bytes are involved. These data are uploaded into the database. Click OK. Click view button. What are the data stored in the database? Click distance. Management distance are calculated here. Based on these data, we can extract the data from the database. Then click. Data are loaded into the database. Click evaluation button to view the data. The values are evaluated. Provide the normal generation. Generating profile. The profile generation are based on the Mahabharata distance. Then click normal profile generation. Then go to attack detection. Click threshold value. Based on this value, the data set analysis. Click update button. The values are loaded into the data. Click show to view the data. Then click deduction. The attacks are extracted based on these values. These evaluations are evaluated by based on existing and proposed data, considering training and testing phase as a normalized and non-normalized data. Thank you.